Okay, so we are going to set up the four sheets for the laptop repair workshop as per our question. So you see here the first sheet that we have entered data into is obviously sheet one, and I'm just going to select all of the text so that I select all of the columns and rows so that I can adjust the width of them. So to do that, I just go up between my 1 and my A into this little triangle area here, left click with my mouse, and it now selects everything. So I come up here between A and B, get the double sided arrow, and I'm just going to double click to adjust the width. So one of the handy things about Excel is that it comes with templates. So those templates can be used to just change the look and feel of a spreadsheet quite easily and to apply predefined formatting to it. So to do that, I'm just going to take this range here, A1 to so A1 to A4. So these lads here. Okay, so this column here, and I'm going to make this accent 5. Okay, so I do that, I just highlight it and choose accent 5. And you can see now that it's not quite wide enough because the size of the text has increased a little bit. So we'll make that bigger in a second. And then I'm just going to take the rest of the cells that are here, and I'm just going to again apply a style to that. And I'll go with this lad here, 20% accent 5. Okay, so I'm just going to highlight it. So then just to make my columns a little bit wider, I just go back up again there and can double click and make it wider. So that's a template. So there, that's quite easy to do, and it can make it look nice and professional. I just want to name the sheet that I'm working on. So to go down here, you see that the sheets are set up as sheet one, two, three, four. And if we kept going, it would add more in. So if I want to rename this, I just right click and choose rename, or I can double click on the text and it'll highlight and I can call it. So we're just going to call it laptop list. Okay, and when we're happy with what we're calling it, then we can just click anywhere, and that's it. The name, it's now named. Okay, so the last thing that I just want to do is I'm going to obviously use this text to do lookups in a few minutes. So to do that, the handiest thing is to name the range of cells that I want in my lookup data. So this here is what is relevant to me for lookup because it has a reference, it has names, it has the information that I basically want. So I'm going to assign the name computers to that. So to do that, I just highlight the cells that I want. I go up here to the naming box where it shows B1 at the moment, and I just type in there computers. Okay, and hit my enter key, and that's it now named. Just watch for your spelling here. Just watch here that you have no spaces in front of your text or anything like that. Again, check your spelling because when you're doing lookups later on, you might find that it's returning nil results for you because something is misspelled. So it's very important to just keep an eye on that. So in this, we've looked at selecting the text, again, making it wide enough, using the predefined templates that are here. So titles and headings, and you can apply whatever you want. And we can see there the way it looks. And we've looked at how to rename our cells, our tabs down the bottom. So we can rename any of them by right clicking and choosing rename, or just double clicking on the text and that'll name it for us. Okay. So